That's the thing, until you see it, you really... Oh, there it is. Oh, a nice brown, or a big rainbow. Big bull, holy. That's a giant.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling from over in New Zealand. We are in Twizel today. We are going to be fishing Twizel canals. Logan, his good friend from home, treated him to a nice guided trip. So we are going to be guided by, I believe, a guy named Patty. Not exactly sure what his business name is, but I'll link everything in the description below. But yeah, I'm pretty pumped. Been able to fish the canals a couple times. Not really hard, not for a long time, but yeah, obviously the potential in this small body of water is just insane. These trout get up to close to 40 pounds if you're lucky, but yeah, there's 30s, tons of 20s, and then double digits is just pretty common here. So yeah, my goal for the day would be double digit brown and a double digit rainbow. That would just be a day I would never forget. So yeah, we're Logan showering right now, and we're just getting changed, and then we're gonna head over to the petrol station and meet up with Patty. So yeah, we'll catch you on the canals. After a quick drive to our first spot, Patty rigged us up, showed us exactly how we should be doing it, and we got drifting. It was about 45 minutes in before we hooked up on our first fish. Nothing too big, but definitely was fun to break the ice.
I know, just little ticks. Oh. I don't know, I think I might have a tiny one, I'm not sure though. Yeah, baby. I'm on. Little guy, literally. Oh, what a small little tick. There she is, breaks the ice with that little gaffer. No wonder it felt like nothing. Oh, that's an infant. My first Twizel Canal trout, absolute unit. Look at the beautiful colors on that one. Bigger and better from here, boys and girls. Oh. Interesting though. Interesting. Finally get the first feel of a bite, but it's tiny, just a baby. All right, let's get back out there. Make sure you know. Here, Log, I can do. I got the waders. Good one?
Yeah. So we always say a good fish is stays deep. That's good. But the real big ones, the 20-pound plus ones, don't normally fight like this.
Yeah?
They're normally like zoot.
Yeah, the big.
Big
pull downs.
Yeah, they stand the time.
Yeah.
But this is what we should be doing every 3 or 4 drifts.
Yeah.
Should be hooking up the fish like this.
Yeah, I know. A little bit slower today?
Yeah, but it was slow. Whoa. It was slow yesterday as well.
Yeah.
But we just kept at it and left them on the fish.
That's the thing, right? Keep grinding it. It's gonna pay off. That's the thing, until you see it, you really...
Oh, that's it. Big rainbow.
That's a giant.
It's a biggie.
Freaking giant. Nice fish. Little spot, yeah, that's what you're after. Freaking unit. That's a big male, right?
That is, you got the cape?
Yeah, it looks like he has
Yeah, really though.
That's a unit. That's what we're after. What'd you say? We're at 17?
About 17, yeah.
Yeah, just fat as can be. Nice. Ready?
Yeah.
I guess that's what happens when you take care of it, eh?
Exactly.
Off she goes. Oh. Alright, now that's what we're after, Logan. Let's go. Big old 17 pounder, just thick as can be. Yeah, just drifting clear drift eggs. We're gonna do a few more drifts here and hopefully we hook up with another big old sob like that. And then if not, we might move on, but yeah, it's our turn. It's our turn. See what happens. Want a little help? Yeah? You want me to help you with the net or? Sure? No worries. Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh yeah, look at the bend on her. Seems like it. Oh yeah. Seems like once you get them close to the side, they don't want to pull off the bottom. Oh yeah, that's a beast. Holy. Giant. That's a giant. Come on up, come on up. Nice bend. Oh yeah, that's a beast.
Really?
Really?
It looked bigger when you came out before.
See, I grossly underestimate that. That to me looks like it's like 25. That's crazy.
It's like when it wet.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice catch. 21. Nice. Nice. Good, man. There you go. Got it, man. Set these there for you. Hey, no worries. Nice fish, man. Oh, get back to it.
After landing a couple giant rainbow trout, we decided to do a few more passes at our first spot. With no luck, we decided to pack up the car and go search for some good, clean, clear, fast-flowing water. We checked out 2 to 3 spots and realized that the first spot we were at was likely our best shot at catching a world-class trout. We drove over to our spot, tied back up some eggs, and began drifting, hoping to capitalize on one more big trout.
Fish. Fish. Hello, little guy. Hello. Ooh, not a big guy, but oh, she ain't big, but oh, it's a little brown. Alright, so I just hooked up on my second fish of the day. First one over 6 inches. We're just in the last hour of fishing, so hopefully we can get another big one right here. Show this one off to you. Oh, got it real good. Need patties. Let me just show her off real quick. Just a beautiful little brown. Doesn't have those crazy dark brown colors, but beautiful fish. Nice and healthy. Get her a couple. Oh. Get her a couple here. Beauty, little brown. Back in the canal she goes. There we go. Oh, hello guy. Not very big. Yeah, that's true. Jumper. Third fish of the day. I don't know if it's another little brown or a rainbow. A little bit bigger this time. Hopping around. Jumping like a jamboree. Ah, I need a mega. Man, these little ones still have a lot of power though. Freaking out. That little rainbow. Little hen. She's got some attitude. She got some attitude. Trying to get rid of it. Go for a bigger one. Dogging. Nice little £1.5 rainbow. Alright, let's hopefully we can get a big one before the day's done. There she goes. Let's go for a big one. These dripping eggs. Look at that. Gorgeous. That's right in the current. It's a beauty. That's probably what, a little 12-pounder?
Yeah, thereabouts.
Gulping.
That's what I mean, it's nothing, not like nothing for the last 45 minutes and all of a sudden bang.
Yeah, I got one too. Little gaffer, but maybe she's turning on real quick at the end.
It's funny that it's starting to turn a different colour because it's normally only the males that will go red.
Yeah. It's a nice beauty hen. Down there catching 1-pounders. Patty's down here catching 12-pounders. It's just the way she's gonna go. So we made the trek back to Christchurch. Had a sweet little time over in Twizel for the weekend. Yeah, didn't end up with that super tanker that we clearly saw. There's plenty within the canals. But yeah, ended up I got 4 little trout on the day. Biggest was like 2 pounds, but Patty, he got a couple nice ones, 17-pounder, 12 to 14-pounder, and then I landed a 21-pounder for another guy. Just these trout are absolutely insane, completely on steroids. Like it's not even fair. So yeah, after that and learning everything I learned from Pat, definitely gonna be back there in a few weeks once the pressure kind of dies down on the canals. But yeah, unreal experience, and yeah, it's definitely a fishery that needs to be protected. So if you're going there, just make sure to be careful with the fish. Let the big ones go. Even just keep one fish. There's no need to be taking more than you need. So great time out there, and yeah, you'll definitely be seeing a couple Twizel videos in the upcoming future, because I still can't leave New Zealand without catching at least a double digit. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.